class. So continuing on with the skimmer. All right. So on last Thursday, we went over this right here. This is the main body of your skimmer. Now we're going to do 2 videos to make sure you guys understand that if you have a manila folder or you do not, we just needed thicker construction paper. That was the main thing. And you could have used, regular construction paper also, or just regular paper. So I didn't want any excuses, just to make sure that you had to do the project either with regular paper or with harder construction paper. Now we did the main body. Now I'm going to use the same manila folder to make the air scoop and the fins. So I'm gonna continue on real quick. So on the main body, we already completed that. Now you're gonna do the fins. So the fins and the air scoop, the height of both of them is gonna be 3 inches. So you gotta make sure you come up 3 inches on your bottom of your paper. You're gonna come up 3 inches. And I usually just make a little mark and I make sure I come up 3 inches on one side. And I do the same thing on the other side. I come up 3 inches. All right, and so you see right there, 3 inches. Then I connect the dots. Okay, great. So then, as you can see on your particular marking, you got to now slide over 3 inches on the fin. Slide over 3 inches. Slide over 3 inches at the top. Then you're gonna make 2 of them. So you're gonna slide over here once again, 3 inches. And you're gonna slide over here again, 3 inches. And you connect those dots. Okay, now the key is you got a 1/2 inch right here. Got a 1/2 inch at the top right there. It's going to be part of your fin. So you're going to slide over here 1/2 inch. Make sure you can see that. It's early in the morning for Mr. Hubbard. And also you got to slide up here and 1/2 inch. All right, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so you're gonna come over here. You're gonna make sure, because you need 2. You're gonna slide over here and 1/2 inch. All right, there you go, 1/2 inch. All right, so the main thing you guys are gonna have to do, and you're gonna slide up here 1/2 inch. All right, so you got it. So now you're gonna just connect the dots, and then you're gonna see how we're gonna cut it out momentarily. So connect the dots there. Connect the dots here. Now once you cut it out, you're gonna have 2 fins. And this is gonna be your fin. Fin and fin. All right, you see that? And then you see your 2 portions right there. This is scrap, so I'm gonna put an X there, X there. Then you're gonna go to your air scoop. You already have your 3 inches marked for your air scoop. Now, sometimes the students say the measurements are a little tricky, but I'm gonna help you out. So no problem with the measurements. The first measurement is going to be 3/8 of an inch from the end right there, 3/8 of an inch. So it's got a quarter, then you got 3/8 of an inch, all right? And then you're going to slide over here 3 inches. And it's all marked on the skimmer sheet that I gave you. And then you're going to slide over again 3/8 of an inch. All right, now you make the little mark. Like I say, I like to make the marks in Sharpie so you guys can see it. Now my little marking here is 3 inches right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing right here. I'm just gonna make sure that I come over, it says right there 1/8 of an inch. I'll make sure I slide over 1/8 of an inch right there. 1/8 of an inch. Now make sure I mark it really well. All right, then from this 3 inch mark right there, all right, you got a 3 inch mark on the side right here, right? So I'll make sure that I slide over here from my 1/8 of an inch mark. I don't need that 1/8 of an inch mark, but I like to put it there so that I can come over 3/8 of an inch and then I slide over here 3 inches. All right, so this is going to be a dotted line so that I can fold. This is going to be a dotted line that I can fold. And then, you remember I made that 1/8 of an inch mark? I'm going to connect the 1/8 of an inch mark to the side. And it should hit in a little corner pocket right there. And then, from that 3-inch mark that I made at the very top, I'm going to slide over here 1/8 of an inch. And then I connect the dot to the 3/8 of an inch that I placed on the bottom. And there it is right there. And then we will cut it out. You got your air scoop. I'm gonna mark this air scoop so that you can see. And we will cut this out in class today.